Today we're going to be talking about the December Ipsy Glam box. So I just got this in the mail. I'm excited to share it with you. So if you are unfamiliar with Ipsy, this is a $25 a month subscription box where you get 5 full-size items to try out for the month. And if you do not want to do the $25 one, you can always do the $10 one where you get 5 sample size items to try out for the month. So let's go ahead and get into it so you can see the 5 items that they sent me this month. So the first thing I got in my box today is going to be a set of brushes. There are 3 brushes here, and they are from F.A.R.A.H. So you end up getting 3 brushes. They're face brushes, and these are a $40 value if you pick these up at F.A.R.A.H.com or on the Ipsy website. So you get a angled brush here, you get a like fluffy blush brush, and then you end up getting a stipple brush. I absolutely love this blush brush. I didn't think I was gonna like this kind of blush brush because it is kind of a flat but paddle type, and it just does so well to distribute the brush. This may be my new favorite blush brush, but as far as the angled brush, it did okay. I think it's a little soft for my preference because I like to get right into this crease here to really define my cheekbone there with some contour. So it's an okay brush for me, but I would have liked it to be a little bit stiffer. And then the stipple brush did a really good job of putting on some highlight. So I did like this brush as well. So these brushes are a $40 value, and I'm quite happy to have them. The next item I got is from Lancome. It's Manchiku. I don't know how to say that. So it is in Hunticulture. It's a really pretty blush lip topper and eyeshadow topper. So I did not put it on my lips today, but I did use it as a eyeshadow topper, and I used it as a blush today. It is so super soft. It has the weirdest texture ever. I was really nervous when I swatched it because I realized how pigmented this was, but it went on really nicely as a blush. It didn't over blush my face, which is nicely. I used it with the brush blush that I was talking about earlier, and it did such a good job. I basically just tapped it in there and then just buffed it into my skin. Both of these products worked really well together, so I'm happy to have this. It is a really pretty color, and this is a $25 value. I am excited to give it a try on top of the lips, but I think it looks really nice on top of the eyes as well. So this was the second product that I got in the box. The third product that I got in the box this month is from Smith & Colt, and this is a eyeshadow quad. So you get 4 different eyeshadows. They're all like your neutral type of eyeshadows. I think they blended really nicely. I love that dark brown here. It's almost like a really dark brown here, and then the other 3 are the glimmer colors, so you're only getting 1 matte in the palette. I think it's really pretty for a natural neutral type of look. So I went ahead and used this today, and I also used some of this Lancome on top of it, and I think the look came out really pretty, and this is something that I would use again. This particular palette is a $44 palette if you picked it up on their retail stores. It does come with a really nice size mirror, and you do get one of those, you know, kind of the silicone type of brushes with it. I did not use that today, but I think it would work really well if you're wanting to use some of the glitter particles that are in it, because it does have glitter in it. It's called Book of Eyes, and mine is the number 3, the Diary of Beauty Junkies, it says. So that's the one that I got. I think it's a really nice packaging, and I really did enjoy these eyeshadows. They blended really nicely. So the next thing I got in my box was from ESTÉE Lauder, a Pure Color Love lipstick in Stripless. This is a really pretty lipstick. I do have it on today. I love the tube that it comes in. So it's like it's a very fancy tube that you can actually put on your counter and display it because it's so pretty. It does have the color on top, so you know what color you're getting, and it also has a sticker right there, and you pull it out. Very sturdy container here, and then here's the lipstick. The one thing I didn't like about the lipstick is the shape of it. So it's kind of in a weird like shape there. I don't like that. It's kind of difficult to put it on, but other than that, I think the color is really pretty. It has a slight vanilla-y scent to it, nothing over the top. I was really pleased with this lipstick. This is not a matte lipstick, so it does have a little bit of a shine to it. It has mango and acai oil in it to keep your lips moisturized, and I feel like it does It's a very moisturizing lipstick, so I'm really, really happy to get this, and I enjoy the color that I got too. So I'm really excited that they sent me this color as well. This is a $22.50 item if you bought that at Estée Lauder or on the Ipsy website. And then the last product I got in the box is from 111 Skin. It's a vitamin C brightening booster. So this is $180 value. This is a really nice thin formula. I was really shocked by the formula of this. It's not oily at all. It seeps right into the skin. So because it does seep right into the skin, it's something that you can definitely use in the morning without having to worry about any oil residue on your skin before you go in with your makeup. So I found that to be really, really nice. I haven't used it yet. I did put it on my hand to see how it was going to absorb, and it absorbed really, really well. Again, this is $180 value. I'm excited to give this a try and see how this is actually going to work. I love vitamin C type serums, and I think they're great for your skin. So this one hopefully will do really, really well. Then I did end up getting a bag this month. So I don't know, I didn't think they were going to be sending bags all the time, but this is the bag they sent me this month. It's super cute. It is blue, and it has those like really cute little, I don't know what they call, where you can just make designs and make it really shiny. So it's a really cute bag. I will probably end up giving it away, but I think it's nice that they included it this month for the month of December. So let me go ahead and give you a total of my box so you can see how much everything added up to. So my box added up to $311.50 this month, which is a huge, huge amount of money for this box. I ended up paying $25 for this box, and it added up to $311.50. So I'm really, really happy. I'm happy with all the products that I got this month. The first box that I got, I was kind of like on the fence and thought, oh no, is this not going to be a really good box? And I'm excited for the December box. I'm excited to see what January's box is going to bring. Let me know what you got in your box this month if you ended up getting this Ipsy Glam box, and I shall talk to you sometime within the week. All right, bye-bye.